In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Steam support. If you're having trouble with your Steam account, a purchase, a game, or another feature, contacting Steam support is the best way to get official assistance. The support system is designed to guide you toward the right solution, and in many cases, you can submit a request directly to the support team. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you know exactly where to go when you need help. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once Steam is launched, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Login button in the upper right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password carefully, then click Sign In. After your credentials are verified, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. From the homepage, move your attention to the top left corner of the application and click on the Help menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and support resources. From this menu, select Steam Support to open the Support section. Once the support page loads, you'll see a variety of categories designed to help with common issues. Browse through the available options and choose the category that best matches the problem you're experiencing. For example, if your issue relates to community features or discussions, you can select the Steam Community option. If you don't see your particular issue listed, simply choose the option labeled I need help with something not listed here to continue. After selecting the appropriate option, you'll be taken to a page with additional support resources. Look for the Contact Steam Support button and click it. This opens a form where you can describe your issue directly to the Steam support team. When writing your message, take your time to explain the problem as clearly as possible. Include all of the relevant details about the issue so the support team can better understand your situation and provide the most accurate assistance. Before submitting your request, review everything you've written to make sure nothing important has been left out. Once you're satisfied with your message, click Send to submit your support request. Steam will typically display a confirmation that your request has been received. After that, simply keep an eye on your Steam notifications or email for a response from the support team. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your issue will be resolved quickly so you can get back to enjoying Steam.